exploring how plant therapy boosts heart health in chronic heart failure patients.
Here's what it means for the lungs that is not known to repair. And right now we have studies where we have great results showing what it can do for the heart. So they're not all double-blind studies, but they're very open label, but they're clinical trials. I mean, if you have stable chronic congestive heart failure where nothing can do anything for you for a number of years, and now we just insert a bunch of plants that trigger the release of your own stem cells, and 6 months later, you have normal heart function, even if it's not double-blind. I mean, it's compelling.